On behalf of our regional minister, the Honorable Linda Akweley, ni Lenoji wa MP Shai-Osudoku, ni Lenoji Regional Disaster Management Committee Chairperson. In relief items, no me present Kewum-Atrobinya Koni Osina Koni Ename on the 1st of January. Anye ni ake reconstruction. Ni wa donate kama Adjanor. Wahame 30 bags of rice. Wahame 10 boxes of cooking oil. Wahame Blefo Kotoku 53. Wahame Janle Kaka 5 boxes. Wahame blanket Niji 60 blankets. Ni Wahame student mattress Lole Kama Kabeni was regional director in Backbell. Work Hama Kya school biome Kama exams. Ni Anye ni Akawame. Wahame roofing sheets, 38 packets of roofing sheets. So Oma pay calculation is about 716 pieces of roofing sheets. When I can pay reconstruction. So on behalf of your regional director, Honorable Dennis,
yes,
Adjanor, in a name of presenting when a 1 year reconstruction efforts. Okay.
Ago. Sinake kle wake mahawa yewa mawo nemini ebo yowe kesugba. Enyone wake mahawa regional minister who doubled to be the MP for Shai-Osudoku. Etene wake mahawa regional NADMO boss. Ewiene wake mahawa district NADMO director. Epane wake mahawa the zonal directors ngemini Australia area councillor. Kan Kewuoje na nekumwa pano kokoliako. Eminiche as assembly member ke imaklalo nge Atrobinya wake mini maune mini ejome. Eneme fe kone mini ananino kejio mauniche ne mini edam hame ne ewo mi hame. Still we need help. Although nena ke bano e must stay for some while. Say still or meaning why ye buam. Loingo blono nyake bi NGOs nange wa no charges nange wa no nange la na meaning amaye bua Kewum-Atrobinya ma. Wa doors are open 24/7. Konenene mehu engade nakeba hawo. Yechum ma one jono fe no ko.
I didn't escape me. Okay. No, Yechum ka.
Okay, so sit.
Okay.
Osudoku TV, Besu.